4 different blocks with different colors, a jigsaw puzzle, beautiful created. See, it's a good technique. The artist is most probably using soft pastels or oil pastels, and see the color mixture, beautiful. The outcome is so nice and so relaxing. Wonderful. Do check out this artist. Another same technique with different vibrant colors. It's a good combination here again, day and night. The 4 different paintings in one canvas. You can see the color mixtures, so peaceful and relaxing. Simple and lovely. Just check out the output. 4 phases of life which everyone goes through. Similarly, the same seasons, only diagonally made. Do check out these artists and their brilliant paintings which soothes your life. So this is on a pebble for most of you who don't realize it. It's an amazing trick and nice technique. And this is the 4 seasons as trees colored. Isn't it gorgeous? Simple and very creative. Another similar 4 seasons trees design. Beautiful and lovely as always. And again, the 4 seasons tree. Simple, easy to try. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more videos like these and do support these artists. Thank you so much.